this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a vendor in Zoho Books so you can manage purchases efficiently and keep your accounts organized. Start by logging into Zoho Books and navigating to the Purchases section on the left sidebar. Click Vendors to see your current vendor list. To add a new one, click the plus new button at the top right. Now enter the vendor's details. Start with the vendor name and email address, which are required for records and communication. You can also fill in additional information like billing address, contact person and tax details to keep your records complete. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your vendor is now added and ready for transactions, streamlining your purchasing and accounting processes. Keep your vendor information updated to ensure smooth business operations. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.